everyone. In this quick video, I will talk about the efficient and the best way to concatenate strings in Python. So I have already written few lines of code here. So words is the list which is holding few words in it. And idea is to merge all these words or combine all these words to construct a sentence. So the default way, or I would say the bad idea of performing this, is to iterate through this entire list of words using for loop and then start using plus sign or do the concatenation. Now, if you will run this code, you would definitely see the output here. So welcome to this world. Now, the problem with this approach is here we know that the string is immutable. So whenever we are performing this concatenation here, we are constructing a new string in the memory. So think about a scenario where you have a list holding huge number of words in it. So in that case, it is not the efficient way. Let's have a look at how can we perform the same thing in much more better way. So I will just say use the function join, and inside join I will pass in my list. And that's all we need to do. And now I will go ahead and say print, and you can see the output is still same. So this is how you should do whenever you want to concatenate many words or many strings into a single sentence. So I hope you enjoyed this short video, and thanks for watching.